howling blizzard wind, fabric whipping, snow impact sounds on every surface.
Faint whimper of wind, controlled slow breathing, soft snow ambience.
Boots slowing and snow crunching as she crouches, wind easing slightly inside the forest.
Pupil breathing with visible condensation, snow footsteps, wind, faint creak of trees.
Hollow sound inside the cavity, examining hand brushing on bark, soft breath echo.
Snow compressing and sweeping sounds, bark scraping, rhythmic breathing from physical work.
Sharp cracks of pine branches breaking, snow cascading from disturbed branches, pine
branches rustling, compression sounds as branches are laid down, quiet, focused breathing.
Wind increasing with altitude from forest murmur to full blizzard roar.
Fabric scraping on bark, crawling sounds, wind reduced significantly inside shelter, snow intensifying outside.
Boots crunching on fresh snow, wind through pine trees, fabric rustling against body in the cold.
Crisp, sharp branch snap, examining breath, quiet snow ambience.
Wood shifting and clacking in arms, deep boot prints in snow, controlled effort breathing.
Friction drill spinning rapidly, wood on wood hiss, faint crackle as ember forms.
Long, controlled exhales into tinder, ember crackling softly, faint sizzle.
Fire catching and crackling growing louder, wood popping, snowflakes sizzling near flames.
Fire crackling, gentle pop of sap, wind in background, deep exhale of relief.
Heavy logs rolling on snow, effort grunts. Fire steady crackle, log settling.
Fire crackling, wind in treetops, distant owl hooting, snow ambience. Morning birds distant, embers breathing softly, kindling catching, morning wind light and soft.
Snow crust crunching under boots, morning wind through trees, distant water flowing, bark container tapping.
Ice creaking under pressure, stick breaking through thin ice, water welling up, focused breath in cold air.
Snow sizzling on hot rock, water dripping, fire crackling underneath, careful sips of water.
Snow digging and crunching, pine cone extraction, seed removal with fingers, focused quiet breathing in cold air.
Storm roar, building, wind howling, fire sputtering and crackling against snow, heavy snow impact.
Snow packing and compressing, hands pressing snow blocks, effort breathing in cold air, wind howling.
Fire crackling softly, very soft chewing sounds, quiet breath, distant wind in cold forest.
Storm raging with wind, fire crackling persistently.
Perfect winter silence, then faint wind, then distant crackle of fire.
Morning bird calls, gentle fire, smoke crackling, distant wind, absolute post-storm stillness.
Boots in fresh powder with soft whomp sounds, morning birds chirping, gentle wind in treetops, peaceful winter morning.
Gentle morning wind, slow exhale, bird song, snow softly settling from tree branches.
Wind at high altitude, climbing footsteps in snow, distant bird call, vast open mountain silence.
Wind at mountain summit, vast open space ambience, calm and strong steady breathing.
Mountain wind, calm breathing, ambient sound of the vast winter world, pure and open.
Snow crunching under boots during descent. Branches rustling. Forest sounds return.
Fire crackling at full strength, morning birds singing, logs settling in flames, long
snow sizzling on fire with steam, branches being moved, snow falling softly on cleared earth. Confident footsteps in snow, bright morning wind, birds singing, the world alive after the storm.
Gentle wind, brief silence, then a single clean and definitive footstep in snow.
Forest sounds fading behind, open wind across snow, quiet on an open road, crisp morning clarity.
Deep steady breathing, open wind across snow, distant sound of the wilderness one last.
Gentle morning winds, soft ambient bird song, quiet natural atmosphere. No.
Soft wind, morning birds singing, warm peaceful sound after 72 hours of survival. Wind building with altitude, distant crackling, winter birds, snow ambience, full soundscape rising as